OG back on the screen. Please drop a like, show some support. I want to start doing a new type of segment on my channel where I drop videos that's not too long, it gets straight to the point, and it's giving you guys some tips and gems, tips and tricks. Alright, so the first tips and tricks we're going to teach you guys right here is being able to just shoot in defenders' faces using the guard up badge. Now, the higher you have this badge, gold to Hall of Fame, the more you can pull when a defender has their hands down, and you're going to experience the effects of guard up. Alright, now most people won't because you don't have the high enough shooting stats, so I would say go high like 86, you know, get gold guard up, at least gold, you know, to Hall of Fame. That's basically the easiest I can say for y'all to do. Alright, so we're going to watch this clip, we're going to click this through, we're going to let this play, it's on the screen, you see I get the ball, stop, boom, shoot right in his grill. Now let me go back and show you guys something real quick. Now look at this. First off, we break him. Easy, crazy, tough break on him. That's nasty, right? We get him with the break. We pause it right here. Now look, this is what I tell people all the time when they're playing 2K. You have to really look and focus on when people are having their hands down. They're trying to push this game to a realistic game. It's going to take time for it to get there fully, but we can see certain aspects of it in this game by the defender having his hands down right now. And you see I have my shot. I'm going all the way into my form already automatically because I can tell his hands is down. Now that's like a whack-a-mole system. You ever play whack-a-mole in the arcade and it pops his head up? Now right now his head is down, so I'm shooting the rock. You know, it's just a little analogy I always say. I'm shooting the rock, he's not contesting, it's clear the green window is open. Just imagine like there's a window that is open right now. Please, like, get this in your head right now. Imagine that there is a window and it's open when his hands is down like this. And the time that you have to do it, you don't always just do it because you see a guy's hand down, because some people have good reaction time and they can press triangle, or they just naturally have a challenger on gold, and if they flick the right stick up, they'll get like a little auto contest that will stop. It will not stop your shot all the time, but it will contest your shot and can make you miss. Okay, so it's very key to know when you have a defender on heels, or just know when he's playing like lackadaisical defense, and to shoot these shots. These are tough shots. You can shoot it against comp all the time because players are not going to know all the time when you're shooting a tough shot or when you're shooting a shot like this, and it's just all on your timing to hit this. All in your time. You see I shoot the shot, and look, when he gets a contest, it gives him like a slight auto contest, but it's too late. It doesn't even register. It just registers as an automatic boom. You see it right there. It registers as an automatic open green light. Okay, you guys see this? You have to start shooting these shots. Like, this is real basketball. Like, the game should have been like this, but it took them some time to get here, man. Just watch the whole sequence one more time, people. We want you guys to see the magic, how we work. This is the Stephen Curry build as well, you know. So he has a high 3-ball. I think we have him at a 94 3-ball. 94, I believe. Yes, we do. Have him at a 94 3-ball. Look at this, the crossover. Ooh, behind the back. Stop, dribble. So a lot of times people may think this is a Zen. No, this is not a Zen, people. Look at this when I frame it and we treat it like it's basketball film, actual hooping film. This is not a Zen, people. This is how 2K is going to start looking. Do you think they're going to retract from this? I don't think so. Ronnie 2K, Mike Wayne, what do they always talk about? Pushing the envelope. Pushing the envelope. Pushing the envelope. What is the pushing the envelope? Meaning they're adding, not taking away and saying, oh, reverting back. This system to me is fine. It really makes the game like realistic. Like, it shows who's a great shooter. The only reason why we can't see that this year, and oh man, it just makes me so frustrated because it kind of, you know, this is my career and they just messing up 2K. The people, actually, the Zens literally destroyed the essence, the natural nostalgia of shooting, being a good shooter. In this system right here would have shown everybody who's really good at shooting. I should really shoot some tough, nice shots. Like, this is a good shot. Like, Not that this is a bad shot, like on a coach level, like a coach can be like, oh, this is a bad shot. But when you are skilled and you know how to take tough shots to get a tough shot that your team needs to get the defense on their heels and make them contest you bad or get them, on them skates, this is a tough shot. This is the one right here. People need to learn how to do this, lock into this type of shooting, and trust me, you're going to go to a new level. I hope you guys enjoyed this, man. I'm going to leave this short, like I said. Once again, just a little slight tips and tricks for you guys to shoot some crazy guard up shots and start getting that badge to pop off more and realize it pops up off of shots like this. When the guy's hands down, there's like a window that automatically pops up and it registers. And you guys have to understand things like this. Like, even though we can't see it, I've always said that, even though you can't see it in 2K, there's always that little window there. It's like these little red meter, green window thing going off, So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Got more coming soon. Other key tricks and tips that you guys is going to need for this next 2K, man. Hopefully they do it right. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going to see y'all in the next one.
Today, NBA 2K25, more cap seasons coming. Like, why are they still adding seasons, my nigga?
Hey, I need y'all to tap into my man. Alright? Be Gray Smooth. Tap in, subscribe right now. Y'all know how my promos work. Go hit a comment. He don't even got no comments yet. Go type a comment right now. Join my betting Discord, $15 one-time fee only. Okay, join the Discord. We're hitting right now. My homies is telling it hitting. And follow me on Playback TV to watch the games live with me.